Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am LaSharika. In today's video, I am tidying up our pantry as well as getting our stove cleaned off. If you are new here, thanks for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me because your girl is on the journey to 1,000 subscribers, and I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe if you like my content, my cleaning videos and things of that nature. I also share mom content, but your girl is going to go ahead and get started. My stove needed to be clean, and on this cleaning, I decided to use only the pink stuff Miracle Paste to clean out my stove, and it overall did a very good job. I was pleased with it, and I did not use none of the harsh chemicals that I usually use. So this worked out. It needed to be clean. We use our stove a lot around here. So your girl went head on and got to it and got this stove cleaned up. Now, y'all seen me scrubbing this. When I wiped it away, I still had some dark spots on here. So went ahead back in with a little bit more pink stuff just to get it all the way clean for my liking. It was pretty clean, but I just wanted those things gone. Okay, so now, y'all, after that, I feel pretty good. I'm like, okay, now this door is giving everything that it needs to give, and it looks good. So now to get started on this inside, I had already wiped it down once. I go in a couple times with this, rubbing and scrubbing it all up. And then I just go back inside behind myself, with some Dawn and just clean it all up, y'all. But so far, so good. It's looking good. I am really pleased with just using pink stuff. It smells good because the pink stuff got a little smell to it. And my inside of my oven looks good. And let me say this, y'all. Yes, you can see on my arm, I get dirty when I clean up. And I'm okay with that because I'm cleaning up. I love cleaning up. I enjoy cleaning up. And afterwards, of course, your girl gonna get cleaned up as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take me a shower, hop in a tub, and get myself all nice and clean, just like I do around this house. So it's still a little soapy, but I go in, of course, with paper towels and get that all cleaned out. And now I'm turning around to the sink to get the inside racks of my stove cleaned out. Now, I went ahead on and did the same thing. I used the pink stuff. They came pretty clean, but I think for me, I'm going to go back in with this and let this soak, like put pink stuff on it and just let them sit. Because they did overall come really, really clean. I was surprised just by using the pink stuff because it's, just caked on grease and different stuff like that be in the stove. But overall, they turned out really, really good. I know the bottom side of them still had some little spots on there, stubborn areas, probably from me. I usually use the oven cleaning spray, but it is kind of strong, even the one that say it don't have no chemical. But for this to just have been done with the pink stuff, it did a pretty good job. I can't complain. Okay, so now your girl has headed into the pantry, and to be honest, I don't feel like the pantry was too bad. It's a lot of stuff in there. I just needed to kind of straighten up, just a little tidying up, really, just tidying the thing up. I have all of the same type of stuff in here, but it definitely needed some tidying up, so that's what your girl did. I just got in here, tidied this up, so it could be done and over with. Okay, so for all my fellow homeschool moms out there, right? Moms that do this organizing and things like that. This little area right here is where I keep my extra homeschool stuff. So this is all the art stuff, paint brushes, the kids' easels are down there, the stuff that the towels and sheets and stuff that they put down when they painting. I do not have a closet in our classroom. So this has turned into an area where I keep arts and crafts stuff at. If you guys have any ideas, I am so open to ideas on how to store this. Do you think this area is okay? Should I use bins? I just don't know. I'm doing what I can with it. I just know it's out of the way in the classroom. So this is the space that I have been keeping it in. I mean, this space, I probably could be doing something different. Maybe the way I'm storing it. I'm not sure. But this bin right here is full of arts and crafts stuff. So whenever the kids want to do arts and crafts, we just pull this out and let them go to town and do what they want to do. Same thing when they want to paint. They can come in here. They know they can get them an easel. They can get them a canvas and they can go ahead and paint, do their thing, write the towels, fold them back up and put them back in here. This is where I'm keeping them, y'all, in the pantry. So far, this is the space that I have put all of my arts and crafts and stuff like that for the classroom. So if you have any ideas, please drop them in the comments. I am so open to your opinion on how I can store this stuff. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today while I tidy up this pantry and tidy up our stove that needed to be cleaned so bad. I appreciate you for being here. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like the video and give your girl a sub because your girl is on this journey to 1,000. I'm at like 750 and I'm working to get to 1,000. Thank you all for being here and I will catch you guys on the next video. Have a good day.